Welcome everyone to Loader's Number. Here guys, I'll be telling you exactly what Loader's Number is and where exactly Loader's Number comes from. Loader's Number is the output of Loader C, a C program by Ralph Loader that came in first place for the Bake and Bake Off contest, whose objective was to write a C program within 512 characters or less that generates the largest possible output on a theoretical machine with infinite memory. So that's the part I'm going to read to you. Here guys, Loader's Number is an absolutely enormous number. It absolutely puts 3321. That's how massive it is. And remember, 33 is a big number by itself. So here I'm telling you of Googology wiki, which I'll leave a link to in the description. D599 is expressed as Loader's Number, which is 5D99 with DK or possible typing judgments. So DK, statement that expression that has type under some context, log K. So 2 arrow through 30,419. Here guys, so here's exactly what it is. So D299. These are enormous expressions for numbers, and I'm going to describe to you guys the code. So here is the code. This is the unreadable way for the code. I'll leave a proper link in the description, but I just wanted to quickly talk about this number because it's very fascinating to me. These numbers are huge and very fascinating. So here's the code, and here's the more better version of the code. For example, we can describe. You can copy all this into your text box if you want to, except there is no select all button. It's not there really. Yeah, there is no select all. You have to copy it all yourself. So yeah. So this is the code which you can copy down to your text box. We can lead here. This is D599. So this is bigger than 33, which by itself is a no joke number. So exactly what 33 exactly is. Check on my last video to explain what 33 is. Here is an understanding of this. So exactly, you have here these seeds that you have to build a forest out of them. But the number of times it will take with 3 seeds is so long. I just don't know the last possible digit. I have no clue what the last possible digit is, but we do know that Loader's Number is more a sensible number because it does come from somewhere and we know where it comes to be. But exactly, we just have no clue what the last digit is. I saw somewhere that the last digit is proven to be probably believed to be a 6, but I do not remember where I read that, so I cannot tell you if 6 is the last digit of this number. So yeah, this is the code for it, and here is exactly what you can do. So it's omega plus 3 power 1000. So yeah, 1000. So yeah, so here is. You can read all this for yourself if you want to. I just want to quickly talk about this number because it seems very fascinating, and it's bigger than 33. And remember how big 33 was. So yeah, go check on the last video, and the winner was Loader. So he was the one who actually won the contest of generating the biggest number. So he had the largest number generated, which was called Loader's Number. And there's actually a wiki I'm reading this off. So I'll go ahead and leave a link to Googology wiki. Guys, we're not even in the ballpark of the biggest number. There's even large numbers like Rail's number and also fish numbers. These are huge and absolutely puts even this number to absolute 1. So yeah, absolutely. So yeah, hope that you did good, interesting for you guys. I'll see you in another one, guys, for even bigger numbers. Have a good day.